Hello, we are Sister Virginia Mwasu, Sister Sarafina Dusabimana, and Sister Vivian Kakai, Oblate Sisters of the Assumption in Arusha, Tanzania. Would like to present to you our social enterprise, Jose Poultry Farm. Nema is 28 years old. She dropped out of school after 6th grade. Is married to an 85-year-old man. Primary caretaker. She does laundry and greenhouses for living, earning $2 per week for family of 7. Her working hours are inconsistent, and she can go multiple days with no work and no income. The family lacks basic needs such as proper nutrition and medication. In Arusha, Tanzania, there are over 60 underprivileged families like Nema's. Our social enterprise, Jose Poultry Farm, provide income-generating skills and entrepreneurship training to underprivileged women. We raise poultry, rabbit, and swine. We sell eggs and livestock to the community at affordable prices. We also train our novices in business management. Our poultry farm serves as a demonstration site with technical resources for other congregations interested in adopting this model. Our mission is to empower and lift out of poverty the underprivileged women of Arusha, Tanzania, and ensure the financial stability of the congregation. Our theory of change is that the training program we offer give graduates income-generating skills, which result in increased literacy levels, lower local unemployment, and reduced poverty rates. Arusha, Tanzania is a 37,000 square area with 1.7 million people. It is near Mount Kilimanjaro and the Serengeti National Park. Our target market is our village of Chegereni, where 7,000 people live. We provide year-round availability of healthy, clean, and good quality food for customers. Target market, which is made up of 3 segments. First, the local Chegereni community with 830 households. Second, the Sisters convents and neighboring parishes. And third, local lodges and restaurants, Arusha food suppliers, and the local farms with incubators. Our beneficiary target market is made of 2 segments. The first segment is the village school girls. The second one is the local underprivileged women. Jose Poultry Farm offer a full range of services, unlike the other schools and vocational training centers and the farmers' cooperatives. We position our product to each segment of our target market. The local community can buy our eggs, mature chicken, rabbit, pork, meat, and at local shops, the local market, or at our own store. Other religious communities, lodges, and restaurants have access to in-person, phone, or social media ordering. We deliver bulk or individually packages fresh products. Our beneficiaries can register during our opening hours days. They can also register at our office, at local churches, or via phone and social media. We have great partners. The Miller Center, Eggpreneur, and Aqueka are providing us with ongoing mentoring. Boniface Store, which provide farms input, and the Chegereni community is our loyal customer. Suppliers, sponsors, and partners are the pillar of our value chain. To our beneficiaries, we offer hand-on vocational and entrepreneurship training. Entrepreneurship training graduates start their own small business and create employment. Our customers buy the output of our farm. Our model for work for all production units at Jose Poultry Farm enjoy good margin. Our entrepreneurship training offering is at the core of our social mission and it is funded by proceeds of our farm. In 2022, we want to expand our egg production capacity, increase to 8,000 eggs tray per year, start our rabbit production unit for 120 rabbits per year. In 2022, we also plan to dig our own water well to eliminate the labor and time needed for fetching water and drastically reduce our water bill. The same year, we plan to start our swine production unit of 30 pigs per year. In 2024, a used transport vehicle would significantly reduce our transportation costs. This year, we plan to hire 2 direct workers to take care of our egg and rabbit production units. In 2023, we will hire a direct worker to tend our swine production unit. In 2023, business commerciality will benefit from hiring an operations manager. By 2024, we'll employ 3 people, 8 students, and 340 entrepreneurship training graduates will start their own business. We will support our local religious community of 7 and 85 congregation of sisters. This amounts to 2,207 lives impacted. Our gross margin will grow from 62% in 2021 to 68% in 2024. Our operating profit will become positive in 2023. With 1,158 units sold, we did break even in 2021. Our cash flow from operations became positive in 2021. We will track our financial operations and the social impact performance with this dashboard and hold regular operations reviews. Monthly, we review our operations KPIs, and quarterly, we review our financial KPIs. We are seeking $26,000 in grant and loan funding to finance our strategic initiatives and fuel our growth to impact 2,200 lives by the end of 2024. That is $12 per person. $26,000 in external funding will enable us to grow our profit to $24,000 by 2024, operates with 68 gross margin, and impacts the lives of 2,200 people. Our small team is passionate about our social enterprise. Sister Virginia Mwasu is our operation manager. Sister Sarafina Dusabimana oversees finance and accounting. Sister Vivian Kakai is our business manager. You can follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. We thank you for your support.